guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dio stand the world. So pretty much this guy can stop time and do really cool stuff. So this is not fully origami because you do have to cut it. So to begin, you take a square sheet of paper and then you fold it down maybe a centimeter or two. And now you're gonna take this end or edge and fold it so there's about an inch left. And now you're gonna fold it on the other side because we're gonna be tearing this off to make the part of the head. Okay, so now you should have something that looks a bit like this. Now we're going to leave this piece off, and you're going to take the piece that you cut off of the square and make the chin area. So what you're going to do is fold it a bit like this. So it's about 1/3. Like this. So it's kind of going to be acting like this. This area is the chin part. And then this is the head part, helmet. And now what you're going to do here is turn it around and then fold this part into thirds like this, and you're going to want to have it curved up a bit. And then you're going to do the same here. So you can just adjust it until you're satisfied. Alright, so now what you're going to do is open this up and then fold this down and then fold it up, fold this down and then fold it up, and then I'll fold that like that and this like this. And now you should be able to tear it to make the helmet part. So now, what you're going to do is make sort of a point in the middle here. And then you're going to fold it in half. And then with this, you're going to sort of make an indent in it. So you got the head part done, or the helmet part done. And now you can start making the chin area. So what you're going to do here is with this area you folded here, you're going to fold that in half. Okay, so now it should be something like this. And if you think it's either too short or too long, you can adjust it like this. Alright, and you can do that. So it's pretty much taking this edge here and then folding it in half. Alright, so it should look something like this. And now you can put it on the helmet part and adjust it. And I kind of like mine like this. So now you're going to figure out where you want it to be. And you're going to make the area where your chin is going to be. Now you can keep adjusting it to how you like. So I think mine is going to be like this. And now you're going to put it here, and then you're going to put your finger here, and then you're going to make a pencil or a line mark or whatever you want to use. And then put a line over there. And then you can either tear it or use scissors and make a cut there. Now you're going to start coloring. So you're going to take a green marker and make a little dot right there. And now if you want a mouth, you can draw a mouth here, but I think I'm just going to color this whole thing. So now, once you have this here, you can put it on like so. And you can adjust it how you want it. So I think I'm going to adjust mine a bit and make it like this. So now once you have that, you're going to fold this in half. And then with this here, you're going to take some glue if you want. This isn't truly origami. And then you're going to put a some glue, small dots here. And align it like this. Okay, so now, if you want to make eyes, you are going to take any color marker and sort of draw a rectangle. Mine doesn't look too good because I'm not that good at drawing, but you can move the eyes up however you want. And I guess that's kind of the world stand. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.